Are you tired of playing musical chairs with your sleeping arrangements? Say goodbye to awkward couch surfing and hello to the magic of Rollaway Beds. These nifty foldable wonders are perfect for that unexpected guest or for when you just need a cozy nook for yourself. In this video, we'll roll out the best rollaway beds that not only save space, but promise comfort and style. So grab your favorite pillow and let's dive into the lightweight world of flexible sleeping solutions. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Leisuit Foldaway Guest Bed Cot, our pick for best budget rollaway bed. If you've ever found yourself juggling unexpected guests or those office nap emergencies, let's face it, you need the Leisuit Foldaway Guest Bed Cot, the budget-friendly superhero of rollaway beds. Made with a fabulous blend of memory foam and high-density sponge, this 3-inch mattress isn't just a sleep surface, it's your personal floating cloud where sweet dreams are born. With a sturdy alloy steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, you can rest easy knowing this bed has your back, literally. The high-strength Oxford fabric is not only elastic, but also offers a comfort level that puts those rickety wood or wire beds to shame. Sure, a little bending under pressure is normal, just like you after a long week of work. When it's time to store it away, this robust all-metal frame folds in half faster than you can say guest room makeover. And the best part? No tools necessary. You can assemble it in minutes, leaving you plenty of time to whip up some snacks and dive into those riveting conversations with your guests. Whether you're accommodating late-night visitors or indulging in an afternoon snooze at the office, the Leisuit Foldaway Guest Bed Cot is versatile enough to rise to the occasion. Time to embrace your inner host? Sleep well, my friend. Number 4. LiteBed Folding Bed, our pick for best lightweight frame rollaway bed. If you've ever found yourself in dire need of a cozy place to crash, but faced the dreaded dilemma of space, fear not! The LiteBed Folding Bed is here to save the day and your back. Lightweight yet mighty, this rollaway bed is your ultimate buddy for those unexpected guests or spontaneous sleepovers. Crafted with an alloy steel frame and topped with memory foam, you're not just getting a bed. You're getting a luxurious sleeping experience that feels like a cloud. And let's face it, who wouldn't want to snooze in style? The flexible mesh design cradles your body in comfort, while the sturdy construction holds up to a solid 350 pounds of lazy lounging. Whether you're an adult or a kid, this bed is perfect for everyone. Worried about cleanup? With a dry clean only care instruction, you can kick back and let the professionals handle the mess. Best of all, there's no assembly required. Just unfold and unleash your new favorite resting spot. So, next time you need an extra bed, remember, LiteBed is portable, foldable, and ready to roll, making it the perfect sidekick for your sleeping adventures. Embrace the freedom of flexibility with the LiteBed Folding Bed. Still searching for the perfect rollaway bed? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. SunsGrove foldtwin, our pick for best rollaway bed for small spaces. If you're tired of flimsy guest beds that resemble a game of Jenga every time someone flops down on them, then say hello to the SunsGrove foldtwin, the rollaway bed that's changing the sleep game. This sleek, black beauty is not just a bed, it's a sturdy sanctuary with upgraded iron slats that won't squeak or squeal when you roll over for that midnight snack. Setup is a breeze. Forget wrestling with complicated instructions or losing your sanity in the process. With this portable powerhouse, you'll be ready for guests in mere minutes. And let's not forget about the mattress. A divine 5-inch slice of heaven that combines 3.5 inches of supportive foam with 1.5 inches of luxurious memory foam. Your spine will thank you later. Now, moving this bed around is as easy as pie. Thanks to its smooth rolling wheels, you can glide it to whatever spot suits your fancy without leaving a scratch on your floors. And once you find the perfect nook, just lock those wheels in place for rock-solid stability. Worried about the mattress playing hide and seek? Fear not! With metal retainers keeping everything snugly in place, your mattress will stay put, no matter how enthusiastically you bounce onto the bed. So, whether it's movie night or unexpected guests, let the SunsGrove Fold Twin Rollaway Bed be your trusty sidekick. Sweet dreams await. Number 2. Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed. Our pick for best heavy-duty capacity rollaway bed. If you ever find yourself playing host to surprise overnight guests, or your kids bring home friends for an impromptu sleepover, you're in luck. Meet the Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed, your new secret weapon in the battle against inadequate sleeping arrangements. This isn't just any foldable bed. It's a heavy-duty haven that supports up to 350 pounds of comfort and good times. Say goodbye to awkward air mattresses that deflate in the middle of the night. With its cozy mattress featuring 1 inch of memory foam and 3 inches of supportive foam, your guests will wake up feeling like they've had a 5-star experience, without the hotel bill. Plus, the easy setup means you can go from couch to bed in a snap, thanks to its handy caster wheels that glide into action quicker than you can say, "Who forgot to répondre, s'il vous plaît?" When your gnarly nephew turns into a snoring bear, simply roll it away and reclaim your space. The sturdy frame boasts locking wheels and a spring-supported deck that makes you wonder why you ever settled for wooden slats and wire mesh. So, whether you're preparing for a surprise visit or just ensuring your home stays guest-ready, this rollaway bed is your trusty sidekick, providing comfort and convenience with a side of style. Sleep well and let the adventure begin. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Milliard Deluxe Diplomat, our pick for best rollaway bed overall. If you've ever had to make do with an uncomfortable guest bed or stuffed a family member on a lumpy sofa, you know the struggle is real. Meet the Milliard Deluxe Diplomat Rollaway Bed, the ultimate savior in the world of portable sleeping solutions. This isn't just any folding bed, it's your ticket to sweet dreams for you and your guests. Crafted with a plush memory foam mattress and a sturdy foam base, this bed is wrapped in a soft, washable bamboo cover that screams luxury. At a generous 75 by 38 inches, it offers plenty of room for a cozy night's sleep without sacrificing style for practicality. Worried about the weight? Fear not! The full steel reinforced frame, with its impressive wire lattice construction, can hold up to 300 pounds. Whether it's for a hefty Uncle Joe or the kids after a sleepover, this bed has got their back. Literally. When your guests leave, simply fold it down to a sleek 14-inch profile and roll it away on its smooth wheels. Storage? No problem. It fits snugly in closets or under beds without taking over your living room. And don't you love the idea of assembly that won't make you break into a sweat? With just a quick 5 to 15 minutes and a handy guide, you can be all set up and ready for a night of blissful snoozing. So go ahead, roll away those worries and enjoy hosting like a pro. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best rollaway beds. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which rollaway bed you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.